Hello my friends, in this video I will introduce you to the lower thirds Glassmorphism, which you can download for free. When you download this file, enter Premiere, then choose one of these Glassmorphisms and insert your video into the timeline. Then you can enter the editable comps folder and change the text, logo, and color of your objects. To download this lower thirds Glassmorphism, refer to the description. In order to learn Premiere and Photoshop and not to miss such amazing presets and plugins, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel.